He call me honey, baby, he know I'm the princess. For the time that he's mine, he get what he need. He get what he need. He get what.
Don't wanna pretend with you. Talking India, I wanna do everything under the sun.
Princess.
What's up, squad? It's your girl Tiny, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to do the mirror, the cloud mirror with the LED lights, and I also was gonna sprinkle a little me on it and throw some blue butterflies in it, but unfortunately I'm gonna have to do a separate clip and include it at the end of my video because I ordered my butterflies Wednesday. It is now Monday of the next week, right? And I ordered it on Amazon using Amazon Prime, and they kept delaying my shipment, so it's supposedly coming tomorrow, so we gonna see. But after I get done editing and everything, I include it in there some type of way and then put it in my video. But you know, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying. But yeah, for real, hit that subscribe button so you can join the Tiny Squad. I guess that's what we're rolling with, cause you know, gotta get what we can get. But yeah. And I'm gonna continue to upload. You know, I knew I was supposed to be on upload. I was trying to do like a every 2 day routine, but I just been doing a lot. I've been coming home late just about every day because we've been doing girls thing, like my nails, like my white toes. My toes ugly, but you know, gotta work what God gave me. But you know what? Let's jump into this video. Alright. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Oh, let me shut it on. Oh, okay. So, need to check and make sure we got room down here. Ah! Okay, I'm back now. Okay, ain't got too much room. We're gonna make this work. So, you know all this stuff over here, this Bella area. So first, what we're gonna do, got the blow dryer. Okay, you just need anything unnecessary. Gotta have a blow dryer, but you need something that that can heat up, so you can melt the thing things off of it. Dang, I need some silk. So mad, y'all. All this hard work. Look, I really was finna give up on y'all because I was getting tired. It's taking too long to take the frame off the mirror. But long story short, so I done cracked the mirror, but I got a backup. I'm just gonna use this mirror that I had gave my brother a while ago, and just go give him another one. Cause period. So y'all, we finally got it up out of there. That's all we have left. Besides that broken one sitting back there in the background. But hard part's out the way. Now it's time for these. So let me see something. What we're going to do here. Okay, so instead of the hot glue gun, I'm just gonna use this for the whole project because I have my what they call hot glue gun sticks, hot glue sticks. They're packed up, and I'm not gonna go in there to get it at all. So I'm just gonna use this, and I didn't really feel like when I need to get hot either because I forgot to put it up earlier. Oh, snap. You just came out of woman. Okay guys, so I had already mounted it down. Did the rest of it and mounted it down to the wall using command strips. I mean, they was the different kind, but these are command strips. So you find them at Walmart. Find them at Walmart for $10. So now the LED lights. Alright, so the lights are up. I thought right where I had to reconnect it, like right up in here, I thought I broke it. Gotta fix this. But I thought I broke it because the top stopped working, but thank God it didn't because I was gonna be so upset. It looks like it's a little off, but it's alright. So last but not least, I'm going to apply the cotton. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab you some pieces right there and just spray it in and stick it on. Okay guys, so it is now the next day, and my butterflies did come in this morning. I already, what's the word I'm looking for? I already glued all of them on. We just gonna spit. Yes, I did, and it looks fantastic. So let me show you guys the ending result. You guys, this is the finishing look. Yes, it is so pretty. I love it. I would get up in the camera, but you know, can't do that. That's the ending result, you guys. Ooh. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I say get this to 15 likes, you know. And again, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the tiny squad. You feel me? So I don't know, but peace.
Kiss me dangerous. Been so lost without you all around me. Getting anxious.